How to change your Reddit password online. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is simply get into your reddit.com, or you can even get into the application. It does not matter. Just make sure that you're logged into your account. So after making sure that you're logged into your account, now what you're going to do is simply tap on the profile icon that you'll be able to see on the top right corner. And after tapping on your profile icon, you'll actually be able to see the option of settings. Tap on settings, then we'll get into our account settings, where if you scroll down a bit here, you will actually be able to see the password option around the general, right? So in here, you cannot see my password option because I have actually connected my account with Google account. So my password will be related to my Google ID. So if you have created your account manually, you'll actually be able to see a change password. Tap on change password, and then from there, you'll be able to write in your current password and also the new password, and then you can simply tap on save change, and just like that, you'll successfully be able to change your Reddit password online.